sis. Taga-asa mo, sis.
Taga-Cebu!
Hey guys, I'm finally here at John Rowo's concert. So this is his homecoming concert and I'm guest performing with him tonight and I'm pretty much excited and I hope you guys are watching this. Up on stage!
Hi mga Jerry!
I am a fan girl. Makita gini mo sis, ako interview.
Yes, sis!
Sumamot sis! Alam, mahal nun yung sis.
Let's hit like 5, sis.
Bukas sis, kita 190. Actually met when he was still very, very young. He was 15 years old. And we were a part of a play, an original Taekwondo play where he played the younger Rizal and I played the first love of younger of Rizal, which was Segunda Katingpao. So there. And he was my younger brother. Okay, what man siya kung so I gave him my uncle. And I'm so glad that I will be sharing the stage with you tonight. And I'm so excited. We will be singing Dati by San Sean. Yeah.
This first surprise or this first guest I'm going to introduce to you guys is one of my favorite person, especially napakadulo sa Cebu. She's very close to me, marami ako siyang ate, and I know you guys know her very well. You guys know her very, very well. And ako ba naman yung theater before, kasi nisali ko niya siya. I just want to introduce you guys. Malaya Macarena!